Hello everyone, this is Diamond Shirts.
Woo!
Have you ever seen this kind of mirrored sliding effect? Today, I'm going to teach you how to create this effect. It'll give your videos a fresh and eye-catching look. First, let's pick a music track with a strong beat for our video. I've chosen this one. Then, select a few highlight clips of your favorite characters. I've chosen scenes from the movie Joker. Arrange the selected clips according to the beat of the music. Next, duplicate the clips and add them to another track. On the lower track, use the crop tool to crop 15 units from the top and bottom to create black bars. Now, let's add a rectangle tool. This will serve as our mirror surface. Adjust the size and orientation of the rectangle and then set keyframes from left to right based on the length of the first clip, giving it a sliding motion from left to right. After that, go to the Effects panel, select the Track Matte tool and apply it to the first clip. Set the Track Matte to apply to the graphic track, and just like that, the mirror effect is complete. Next, color grade the clip to make it visually distinct from the one below. You can adjust the colors to your preference. Once done, you'll notice a clear difference between the two clips. If your footage looks a bit blurry, Fiona Beatler, search for the Unsharp Mask effect in the Effects panel and increase the value to sharpen it. Then, simply copy the effect from the first clip and paste its attributes onto the other clips, and that's it. Your mirrored sliding effect is all done. Go ahead and give it a try.